All right, so to make this work, we're going to need to build on this idea of a joint distribution. It's not going to be obvious right away what this has to do with machine learning at all, but it's going to connect, so just bear with me for a little bit. All right, so to talk about this concept, what we're going to do is look at an example. And the example that I think might work, that would be nice and simple, is the notion of storm and lightning. So here's a little picture of storm and lightning. And what we're going to do is say, let's say on a random day at 2 p.m., you look outside. And what I want you to do is say what fraction of the time is each of these different possible combinations of things happening. So for example, what's the probability that you look out and there's a storm and there's lightning at the same time? So what do you think?
On a random day?
Yeah, random day at 2 p.m. And it can be in Atlanta since that's what you're familiar with.
Is it summer? Because that happens more often in the summer.
Sure, let's say summer.
It's fairly high at 2 p.m. Let's say it happens a quarter of the time.
Wow, that's a rainy summer.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now, that's not the only possibility, though. It could also be that there's a storm but no lightning.
Right, that happens more often at 2 p.m. in the summer in Atlanta. Let's say it's 0.4.
Wow. All right. Now, what's the probability that you look out the window and there's no storm but there is lightning?
Maybe 5%.
And what's the probability that you look out and there's, it's nice, clear, there's no storm, no lightning?
Coincidentally, I picked numbers that made it easier for me to subtract from 1, so it's 0.3.
Right, and so these are the only 4 possibilities we're saying, and they have to add up to 100%, and so it had to be 30 at this point. So it's actually more likely that there's a storm than not, according to what you said.
It's Atlanta in the summer at 2 p.m.
There you go. All right, so this is a joint distribution, and now we can actually ask various kinds of questions about this. Oh, you know what would be a good form for asking a question?
I don't know. I'm looking at you quizzically.
Nice. Using the fact that we're in the same place. We are going to do a quiz.